Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ThriveCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you offer a free trial to one of your ThriveCart products? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to offer a free trial to one of your ThriveCart products anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling subscriptions or memberships, sometimes you're going to offer a short trial period, so that way your customers can try it before they're billed monthly. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and offer a free trial to one of your products, here on the top, you're going to click on these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, go ahead and scroll down to the product that you want to offer a free trial for. So for example, this subscription product here, and click on edit. Okay, next you're going to be brought to the product edit screen. So to offer a free trial, it's going to be handled in the pricing section. So here in the middle, click on the pricing button. It looks like a $sign. Okay, so now you can see that we have one pricing option for this product. It's $150 per month. So if we want to offer a free trial, we can go ahead and just edit the current subscription, or we can add a second pricing option for our customers. I'm going to show you both. So let's go ahead and edit. Okay, so you can see this one already has a 7-day free trial. So what we're going to do is here under the trial, go ahead and choose the trial period. So we'll do a 1 day, and then you're going to see the terms here. So the customer is not going to be charged today, $0 for today. And then they're getting a 1 day free trial. After their 1 day free trial, they're going to be billed $150 until they cancel. So go ahead and click on next and save. So let's go ahead and add another pricing option. So payment type, I'm going to go ahead and make this a subscription as well. And for this one, I'm going to add a trial period for 30 days. But because they're getting a 30-day free trial, I'm going to increase the monthly fee. So the monthly fee, I'm going to go ahead and charge $200 per month. And then today's price, I'm going to click this as $0 because they get a 30-day free trial. So you can see the terms right here. So my customer will be charged $0 for today, and they're getting a 30-day free trial. After that, they're going to be billed for $200 every month. So I'm going to click on next. All right, click on save. Okay, now we have set up a trial period for this product, and I'm going to scroll to the bottom, click on save and get URL. Okay, so now our free trial is live. Let me go ahead and open up the checkout and show you what that looks like. Okay, so here's my checkout for my subscription product. You can see they have these two options. So they can pay $150 per month, and they get 1 day for free. So that way they can check it out. Or if they want 30 days for free, they can click here. So they get 30 days for free down here. And then after that, it's going to be billed for $200 per month. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a free trial into your ThriveCart product, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.